Hey everyone, this is Joel Carriker, Trinity Roofing and Construction. I just wanted to actually give a shout out and say hello. We are still going after it. Everywhere from Plano to Decatur to Arlington, all over the Metroplex. We're there for you. And so if you come up to, just want to make sure as a reminder to have your place checked out, give me a shout. Trinity would love to be able to serve you. And that's exactly what this family in Plano did. We're going in and just looking at things. And the roof, it's an older roof, it's a 10-year-old roof, but the reality is the roof is still healthy, it's still insurable, there's nothing that needs to be done. Giving them that confirmation, but going through just our normal due diligence, boom. So that's actually not good. So we got rain coming in tomorrow, and that rain is simply just gonna go right into this attic and mess up the insulation, and that is never good. And eventually it will create damage to the sheetrock and the ceilings and stuff. And we can be of service to you, and just making sure that everything is tip-top and mark that puppy off the list. Give us a call, 214-535-0888. And always remember, we got you covered.